fly my drone. Let's do it. Okay, this just got blasted up on the ceiling, but it's alright. Let's go. Part number 2. Ooh, no, I'm doing 360s. I crashed too many times. Sorry guys if I crash. And if this video smashes 1,000 likes, and I'll do another video about this. Okay? So we're gonna try to hit 1,000 likes. Thank you guys. Please enjoy. Ooh. Sorry guys. I'm just like doing really good. Sorry, I'm just doing a really good job filming. Not filming, but find a drone. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed this. Ooh. Every time I crash, it's really hard to fly these drones and stuff. Yeah. If you buy one, this is like $20, so it's alright. Yeah. Ooh. That got me. Go. Okay. If I grab it like this, and you have to subscribe. Let's do this. It was really hard. Alright, let's go. Take off number 2. Let's do this. Oh! You should have saw that. Okay, take off tip number 3. I'm gonna do this. Ooh! Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Here, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, do comment down below, and goodbye. Peace.